Hi, my name is Shannon, and I'm the Head of Customer Success here at OpenLearning. This video is to help you to create your institution portal and understand the general settings. Let's start with creating your institution portal. What you'll need is to decide on your institution portal URL. You will also need the role of subscription owner or subscription administrator to create the institution portal. This will be www.openlearning.com/your institution portal name. Here is an example. openlearning.com/bloom-floristry-school. Please note that once this portal URL is created, it cannot be changed. The first step is to ensure that you as a subscription owner or administrator is logged in to OpenLearning. To log in to OpenLearning, please click Login in the top right-hand corner. Please pause the video now to ensure you have decided on your portal URL and that you are logged in to the OpenLearning platform. Now that you've decided on your portal URL and you are logged into the OpenLearning platform, you can now proceed to create your institution portal. The next step is to go to your Manage Subscriptions page and Manage Institution. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon and going to Manage Subscriptions. And then Manage Institution. Here is where you can create your institution. You can start by typing in your institution name. As you can see, when you type in your institution name, it does start to populate the institution URL. You can make changes to this institution URL prior to clicking on Create Institution. Once you are happy with the institution URL, click on Create Institution. Once your institution is created, it will take you directly to your institution settings. When you are logged into the OpenLearning platform and you'd like to go to your institution portal settings, you can access them via Institutions and then by clicking on the institution cog here. Please pause this video now and create your institution portal. Well done on creating your institution portal. Now, let's go through some of the key settings. I will show you using Bloom's example portal. The settings are in the left-hand navigation menu. Settings, Institution Usage. Here is where you can review and export learner usage. The exported file will contain the list of all learners contributing to your learner usage within a selected billing period and will be sent to your email. General. Here is where you can change your institution name if needed, and you can also update promotional page information. Appearance. Appearance is where you can make changes to your portal invite email. The portal invite email is the first email learners or team members receive when inviting them to the portal. This is also where you can change the certificate background if you choose to use OpenLearning PDF certificate for your course. Advanced. Advanced is where you can change footer settings, portfolio settings, and custom terms and conditions. Integrations. Integrations you can set up here, such as single sign-on, tools to use inside courses, tools which are built as LTI tool providers, examples Zoom and H5P, tools that can automate the processing of evidence submissions, example Turnitin, and LRS, Learning Analytics Tools, example Score Cloud. App Marketplace. App Marketplace is where you can connect specialized tools via available apps, such as the Learner Survey Builder. Please proceed to set up these settings, and if you require any support, please reach out to the customer success team via live chat, phone, or email. Each of these settings I have shown you today also have help documentation available via our help.openlearning.com community page. This is our help.openlearning.com community page where you can search for help documentation. It's also where you can find our phone number to contact us. Our email is support@openlearning.com. Thank you.